Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to learn Python for data analytics. To begin your journey, first install Python on your computer. You'll also need an integrated development environment, or IDE, such as VS Code or Jupyter Notebooks, to write and run your code efficiently. Next, focus on understanding Python's fundamental concepts. This includes variables, different data types, and how control flow works. Practice these basics with small exercises to build a strong foundation before moving to more complex topics. Once you have a solid grasp of Python fundamentals, dive into the essential libraries for data analytics. NumPy is crucial for numerical computing, offering high-performance array objects and tools. Pandas is your go-to for data manipulation, especially with its powerful data frame structure, which handles tabular data exceptionally well. Finally, master Matplotlib and Seaborn to create insightful and visually appealing charts and graphs, transforming raw data into understandable stories. With your tools ready, it's time to understand the data analysis workflow. Start by cleaning and preprocessing your data, addressing missing values and inconsistencies to ensure accuracy. Next, conduct exploratory data analysis to discover patterns, anomalies, and relationships within your dataset. Finally, apply statistical methods and even machine learning algorithms to build predictive models or classify data, extracting deeper insights and making data-driven decisions from your findings. To truly master Python for data analytics, consistent practice is key. Work on real-world projects, perhaps from platforms like Kaggle, to apply your knowledge and build a strong portfolio showcasing your abilities. Engage with online communities and contribute to open-source projects to learn from others and collaborate. The field of data analytics is constantly evolving, so commit to continuous learning, exploring new tools and techniques to remain proficient and effective in your journey.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.